Do you want to know how to change Notion's default page? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it in very few steps. Well, go ahead and open the Notion app on your laptop. Once you do that, you're gonna see one of the options on the left side of the screen will be the default page there. Well, go ahead and tap on home. Then go to top right corner and look at or tap on the three dot menu there. There you'll see a small menu will appear where you'll see options like change default page, show or hide widget. Go ahead and select change default page. Then options like home, last visit page, top page in sidebar or Notion AI. Select the one that you like. Then you'll see you'll successfully change the default page on Notion. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.